Now that we're done with the unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 LTE, we're going to unbox another phone sent to us by another brand. And this brand is from our friends from Realme. So we have reviewed a couple of their phones, like the Realme C1, but they have a new phone called the Realme 7 Pro, but they haven't sent me that one yet. But anyway, they sent a newly announced phone called the Realme C2, and as you can see, it's a heavily packaged phone with bubble wrap. Oh, it's a brand new unit. Okay, it's still sealed, all right, and the color of Realme C2, color yellow, Galawan. That's their color. So anyway, yeah, so that's the sealed box of the Realme C2. Well, I have the Realme C1 here somewhere, yeah, and I reviewed that last year. I actually considered it as the best entry-level phone for the year 2018. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Anyway, here's the unboxing. All right, and yeah, what's this? Okay, I'm expecting a silicone case here, but I don't see a silicone case, so I guess they didn't include it in the package. I may be wrong. All right, so we have the charger, and we have the USB. We have the USB cable, the Type-C cable, and the Realme C2. Oh, and yes, it still has that teardrop design. Design at the for the notch, right? So we're going to describe a bit more when we go closer later. But let's power on this puppy, and there's the Realme logo. Right, so this is the Realme C2 already set up, and I have to say, this is a very, very pretty phone for an entry level. In my opinion, it actually looks a lot better than the Realme C1. You know, the C1 still somehow looks entry level, but this one, it looks like a mid-range phone. For it's stylish. You know, it has this prism-like back, and the color looks nice. The screen looks vibrant. Even it's unbelievable. The price is surely below 6,000, I think, and just like the Realme C1. And what else can I say about this phone? Anyway, speaking of the aesthetics, so let's check out the bottom of the phone. The bottom of the phone has the speaker grill. It has the micro USB port, and it has the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the side, on the right side, it has the power button. On the left side, it has the SIM card slots and the volume rocker button. So yeah, this is the sort of a teardrop notch that houses the front camera. Then you have the dual cameras here, 30 megapixel, and the other one is sorry, 2 megapixels, I think. But anyway, again, screen looks vibrant, and the UI is very much snappy. You wouldn't think it's an entry-level phone, honestly speaking. And the app drawer, this runs on Android Oreo, and but it has the Color OS pre-installed. So that's the OS of that's the same OS used by their mother company, which is Oppo. All right. So, but this is different. The app drawer is different. I haven't seen this in any previous Realme or Oppo device. So that's a welcome change. Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo of Mr. Boosty here. And here we go. Alright. Let's see what the photo looks like. Yeah, yes. And there you go. Photo looks sharp. Looks pretty sharp, and for an entry-level phone, that's very impressive, you know. And we're going to do a lot more tests in the next few days. So, but that's basically the first impressions of the Realme C2. We're going to. If you have any questions, just leave us comments in this video. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video and our channel, youtube.com/thebr networks. We'll be doing this full review for the Realme C2 pretty much soon, probably in a week or two. And yeah, and that's it for now.